Hyundai Tucson, NX4, front bumper replacement. To successfully remove the front bumper on your 2024 Hyundai Tucson, follow these step-by-step instructions carefully to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. Step 1. Remove the engine room undercover. Step 2. Remove the fender garnish. Step 3. Loosen the front bumper upper mounting clips. Step 4. Loosen the mounting clips and screws on the side of front bumper. Detach the side part of front bumper. When you pull out the front bumper, the side part of the front bumper could be damaged by the projection. Step 5. Disconnect the front bumper main connector A. Step 6. Remove the front bumper assembly A. To complete the installation, follow the removal steps in reverse order. Ensure that the connector is securely and properly plugged in to avoid any electrical issues. Inspect all clips and pin-type retainers, replacing any that are damaged or worn out to guarantee a secure and stable fit. Hyundai Tucson, NX4, Radiator Grille Replacement. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to replace the radiator grille on your Hyundai Tucson, NX4 all by yourself. Step 1. Remove the front bumper assembly. To complete this step, watch the first part of the video where we demonstrate exactly how to do it. Step 2. Detach the wiring A, mounted on the front bumper assembly and radiator grille. Step 3. Remove the front bumper energy absorber A. Step 4. Loosen the mounting screws. Remove the radiator grille cover assembly A. Step 5. Loosen the mounting screws. Remove the radiator grille upper cover A. Step 6. To complete the installation, follow the removal steps in reverse order, ensuring everything is securely reassembled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more helpful videos.